Hi, boys and girls. It is the time again that you've all been waiting for. We get to move around and do the blue book. But we're going to do the blue book a little bit differently today because you've been learning about bugs. And one of the things that you have to do in kindergarten is be able to change around beginning sounds to make words that rhyme. So instead of doing our usual rhyming with the thumbs up or thumbs down, we are going to do some rhyming words today that end with the ugh sound, like bug, okay? And actually, let me make bug here for you. I gotta flip these over. We don't want to start it with the vowel. Here is the word bug, b-ug, bug. Let's change this beginning sound, and I'm just gonna flip through every letter of the alphabet, and you can actually read it. We'll sound it out, you can read it, and tell me if it's a real word, thumbs up. Oh, can't see my thumb there. And if it's a silly nonsense word, you can put your thumb down. It doesn't make any sense at all. It's gonna be hard to grab these. Here we go. Sound out this word. K-ug, cug. That's a silly word, isn't it? How about this one? D-ug, dug. Dug, that is a real word, like someone dug a hole. Oh, we can't use our vowels. How about F? Fug, fug. It's kind of a fun word to say, but it's definitely a silly nonsense word. G, ug, gug. Do it up here. Gug. That's a silly nonsense word. What's a gug anyway? Who knows? How about this one? Ugh, hug. Yay, hug. Oh, I'm going to give you a hug right now. I just gave you a virtual hug. And we don't want to use our vowels, so I'm going to skip past that I. Sorry, I. How about ugh, jug? Yes, jug, like a pitcher of something that carries a liquid, a jug. Ugh, cug. Nope, it rhymes, but it is not a real word. Lug, lug. Lug actually is a real word. It's when you're carrying around something heavy. People might say, I have to lug around this big heavy bag. Mug, mug. Yes, you know Miss Decker has a coffee mug every day. Nug, nug. That silly nonsense word. And we're going to skip past the O. Sorry, O. Ugh, pug. Oh, if you've seen those cute little pug puppies, they're awfully cute. Real word. Quug, quug. No, nonsense word. Ugh, rug. Yeah, we know what a rug is. Sug, sug. Well, sug is not a real word. Ugh, tug. Yes, tug is when you pull on something, when you pull something close to you. Oh, sorry you're a vowel. Gotta skip you. Ugh, vug. Yeah, that's a silly nonsense word. Ugh, wug. Oh, that's definitely silly. Xug, xug, silly. And ugh, yug. Well, these are all silly at the end of the alphabet. And the last one, ugh, zug. Good job, boys and girls. We just use every letter of the alphabet to make rhyming words that rhyme with bug. Good job. Okay, let's come back up here and talk about those S blends that we started learning on, was it Wednesday? And here they are. Here's the first one. Read it with me. S-N, sn, sn. S-T, st, st. S-M, sm, sm. S-C, sk, sk. S-W, sw, sw. S-P, sp, sp. And let me get the other whiteboard because there's so many of them. S-K, sk, sk. S-L, soul, soul. Let's take a second before we jump into our beginning sounds. Let's see if there's any S blends that go with the UG. Oops, put that on the wrong place. That go with the UG word family here. How about SN? Snug. Snug. Yeah, when something's really snugly, it fits very snug. Nice and tight there. Here is stug. Stug. It rhymes, but it's not a real word, is it? Stug. I don't know what a stug is. How about smug? Smug. Someone might be very smug if they think they know everything. They're so smug. Okay. How about SW? Swug. Swug. No, it's not a real word. How about spug? Spug. That's not a real word either, is it? How about scug? Scug. Nope, that's not a real word. Oh, I erased my UG. I'll put it up here. And the last S blend is SL. UG, UG. Slug. Slug. Slug is a real word, yes. Slugs like to eat my plants. I don't like them on there. All right, boys and girls, good job. So we're just going to work on beginning sounds, and we'll do some blending and segmenting, and then that will be all of our practice for today because we did so much work with our rhyming words. Good job on that. All right, beginning sounds. Swan, swing. Repeat. Swa, swa, swa. SW. Good job. Scarf, scare. Sk, sk, sk. SC. Step, steam. St, st, st. ST. Speech, space. Speech, space. Sp, sp, sp. SP. Snail, snore. Sn, sn, sn. SN. Good job. Now I'm going to give you some sounds, and we're going to put those sounds together. We're going to blend them together to make the word. Here we go. Stain. Stain. Spell. Spell. Good job. Scoop. Scoop. Slot. Slot. Slice. Slice. Slid. Slid. Snug. Snug. Great job blending words. Now let's listen for some ending sounds. Nice. S. Or C. C makes both sounds, so C, it could be C. Flat. T. Good job. Jazz. Z. Z. Man. N. took, k, K or C, could be C too, slime, M, cube, B. Good job, boys and girls. The last thing we're going to do today, I don't want to skip this one today because I think this is so important to help you with your spelling. We're going to segment words. So get your choppers out. Get ready to chop up the beginning, middle, and ending sounds that you hear, okay? Swam. 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 Steep. 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 Skip. 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 Listen for those S blends. Snake. 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 Smudge. 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 Steak. 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 Slope. Slope. And one more. Sketch. 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 Awesome job today working with words, boys and girls. Make sure that you're practicing these things, blending sounds together when you're reading and stretching out those sounds that you hear when you're writing and spelling words, okay? Awesome job today, guys. Have a great day.